What's up, guys? This is KB with the Crypto Savages, and today's video is about Bitconnect and its exit scam. I feel bad for people that got burned out on it, but then again, I don't. They obviously didn't take the time to do their research to see there was nothing more than a dreaded Ponzi scheme. I never got involved because I never really understood its structure. Well, I understood it, but it pretty much was just a pyramid scheme. The thing I never really understood about it is, like, who are these loans getting made out to? Like, this is just insane. And another thing is, like, when you have individuals like this crazy guy in there, that you should probably just stay clear. Really, just guys, do your research, do your due diligence, and don't get involved in this kind of crap. Some people leverage their houses, quit their jobs, went into debt to get involved with Bitconnect, and in the end, it kind of shit on itself. But just a word of warning, guys, do your research. Cryptos are such an evolving field. There's constantly going to be scam artists out there and doing all sorts of stuff. So really, guys, this video is just a word of warning. Just do your research, do your due diligence, and don't be an idiot. And now we get to watch this guy just rant about Bitconnect. Alright, guys.
Hey. What's up, Bitconnect? Hey, everybody, my name is Carlos Motos, and I am coming from New York City, New York. Let me tell you guys that I am so excited, I am so happy, I am really so thrilled to be right now sharing this amazing, glorious, super exciting moment of my life with all of you guys. And let me tell you that we are really changing the world as we know it. The world is not anymore the way it used to be. No. Bitconnect! Wow! Bitconnect! We are coming, and we are coming in waves. We are starting, and we are going to actually go all over the world. We are belting the entire world. Let me tell you guys that I started 137 days ago with only $25,610, and right now I am reaching $140,000. Whoa, what's up? And let me tell you that I am actually earning around $1,400 on an everyday basis, 7 days a week. What? I am right now independently, financially independently. I am saying to so many people who said that this was going to be a con artist game, that this was going to be a scammer game. Hey, you're going to lose all your money. My wife still doesn't believe in me. I'm telling him, well, honey, look, this is real. No. That's a scam. And I said, but wait, I'm going to go to the bank. I'm going to get my Bitcoins. I'm going to actually put it into dollars. Here, they're right on the table. No, that's money that you took from another account. I'll say, what am I going to do? Then I said to myself, you know what? When I am starting to put $10,000 a day on her, right on her, on her table, then she's going to say, whoa! Yeah, okay, that's real. So guys, I want to tell you something. Faith and belief is the one thing that we all need to be able to change the world. And right now, I believe that in this room, we have the seed that's going to germinate and that's going to explode into an amazing opportunity for us to change this entire world. I am so proud, I am so honored, I am so excited to be here right now. And let me tell you something, that each and every one of you has the opportunity to become like those amazing people that we know here from Vietnam, making so much money that they could probably have a real hard time counting it. So guys, let me tell you, I love Bitconnect! Yes! Thank so much, Carlos.